Okay, let's be real. Most of us want to burn more fat, but mornings are rough, right? Well, what if I told you that science just cracked the code on 3x fat burn, all by tweaking your morning cardio? I just dove into a 2025 study that basically blew my mind. Researchers found that morning fasted cardio, so moving before you eat, can triple your fat burn compared to evening workouts. But here's what nobody tells you. It's not about willpower, it's about timing. Let me break it down. First, there's something called cortisol hijacking. Sounds wild, but at dawn your body is primed to torch fat thanks to a hormone spike. In a Stanford trial, folks who hit the bike at 6 a.m. had a 240% jump in fat-burning enzymes. That's not just numbers. One CEO lost 28 pounds just by walking fasted at sunrise, no crazy diets required. Next up, mitochondrial priming. MIT scientists found that moving in the morning wakes up your muscle cells, supercharging your metabolism. Imagine your body as a furnace. Morning exercise is like tossing in rocket fuel. Bonus tip, add a splash of cold, like a quick cold shower, to boost fat-mobilizing hormones even more. And the third protocol, autophagy acceleration. Oxford researchers discovered that fasted morning movement turns your body into a cleanup crew, clearing out cellular junk and switching your fuel from sugar to pure fat. It's not just about weight loss, it's about upgrading your whole metabolism. So, if you're tired of spinning your wheels, here's the challenge. Chrono-Cardio Protocol. Morning routines, circadian hormone charts, tracking sheets, to reach your goals. Dawn burn if you've ever felt ravenous after a workout or just want to unlock next-level fat burn. And hey, dawn code. Hopkins Circadian Planner, MIT Fat Oxidation Calculator. Hit that subscribe button, share this with your accountability buddy, and let's turn morning into your fat-burning superpower. Remember, it's not just exercise, it's metabolic reprogramming. Ready for your cellular upgrade? Let's go.